Good morning, traders. Welcome to this week's cryptocurrency market analysis webinar. I hope you all had a great week. Right, I have started the Forex video with a scam alert, guys. So please watch out the first part of the Forex video. There is a scam. There's a guy that is stealing our work, but more details on the Forex video. I know most of the people that are watching this don't really watch the Forex part, but just watch for the scam that I'm talking about here. There's a guy who's scamming people and stealing our work and plagiarizing it as his own. Right, so you can just get more details on there. So let's have a look. When to next for the crypto market? This is our technical chart. This is our expectation for Bitcoin, and more details on that shortly. Right, guys, so if you've not already subscribed to our channel, please do so. Give us a thumbs up if you like our content, and hit that bell notification button so you get an alert the next time we upload a video. All right, so if you'd like to contact us, well, these are our contact details as well as the link to our website. This is our website, right? Let's just go home here. I'm going to get back to this level, to this chart here. So this is our website. We are currently running a lifetime special for July, the lifetime plan for July. After this, we will not have this special again in this year, right? So this is a lifetime plan. This is the opportunity to get the lifetime plan and never have to pay a single cent for the rest of your life, and you'll have access to all our content at 50% of the normal price. Okay, so if you like that, you can purchase the course on the website and you'll get the access immediately to the recorded course. So the live course is going to be in September. So we spent 10 days together looking at the basics and advanced principles of the Elliott-Wave theory. The theory applies in all market, whether it's the crypto market, Forex market, indices, stocks. So you can apply the theory to trade any market. All right, so let's get right into it. I had the chart here earlier. Let's just go back to the chart that I was that I had open here on Bitcoin and where we expect the market to go to next. Okay, so crypto Bitcoin. Let's see here. Right, so this is Bitcoin daily chart. So look at the daily chart here on Bitcoin. I'm going to expand it here. So let's have a look at the bigger structure. So what are we looking at Bitcoin? I've been showing this chart for the longest time here. From around this level, we've got one, we've got two. Remember in 2021, Bitcoin traded as low as 3,800. People tend to forget this, that Bitcoin traded at about 4,000. I think it was 3,800 to be specific. 3,800 before it went and made a high of 69,000. So Bitcoin is erratic. So it does not matter that we are at around 20,000, 19,000 now. The crypto market is erratic and anything can happen as far as this market is concerned. But we look at the technicals, so we're not just looking at the market randomly. What are the technicals showing us? So this is the chart that we've got, and this is what we're looking at as far as Bitcoin is concerned. Look at the white degree. So our white degree here is showing us that we're looking for a pulsing move into 1, 2, 3, and this whole thing as a wave 4 and then upside. And that is only the lower degree of this 1 to here. So is there a possibility that Bitcoin can go and reach 90, 100,000 again, as people have been saying around this level? Remember, everybody was saying Bitcoin 100,000 to around this level, but we know the market does not move in a straight line, and you can imagine how many people have been flushed out of this. Some people even bought around 68,000, 64,000, unfortunately. So you can imagine that anybody who has Bitcoin around this level, how much money they have lost. What is also interesting is that anyone that has bought Bitcoin 2 years back, let's have a look here, 2 years back in 2020 at about 20,000 is now back exactly where they were. Okay, it's exactly back, they're exactly back where they were. Now, if you had bought Bitcoin way back in 2019 as well, and we reached this level, I'm not saying we're going to reach that level, but you would have held the Bitcoin and you would have made almost 500 times profit and then lost it all. Okay, so it becomes very difficult to trade this and to hold this for the long term. But here, let's have a look at what we're expecting. So we're expecting this one to give us a 3-wave pullback. I'm going to go into the detail of this structure and then move to the upside. Okay, so we'll be looking for this one. This is actually not the white degree. So that is the white degree that is going to give us this structure here. And this white here will have to have 5 waves. So let's have a look here at this structure here. Now, if you remember, we focused at Bitcoin. This dropped from around 48,000. We focused at this 22,000 to around 20,000 here. We had a pullback here, which we focused to around 19,000. We flashed below 20,000. We're currently around 20,000. I was still going to go lower. So our line in the sand is this. So the structure that we're looking at, if we so much as get to 13,866, we know the rule is that the wave 3, or rather the wave 4, cannot come into the territory of the wave 2, which is this one here. If we get to wave 2 here and we touch this, so much as touch this, that means the structure that we're looking at will be invalidated. But otherwise, as long as we are above this level, we are fine as far as Bitcoin is concerned. We're going to expect a continuation to the upside. So we are here. And here we've got 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to show you those 5 waves shortly. Let's open those 5 waves on the 4 hour. So those are the 5 waves that I'm talking about here. So these are the 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're looking for this one. We're still in the 5th wave. So we've got the lower degree here. In this 5th wave here, we're looking at this one, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is why this week we're expecting that we're going to have, again, another 5 waves. So if you look at this one here, we're expecting Bitcoin to go into the blue box and continue to the downside in this degree. And in the lower degree during the London session, as you can see, we expect it's already starting to move. We're looking for this one to come into the blue box and continue to the downside. So the move to the downside is not over as long as we stay above 13,800 or just above, or just at about 14,000 as far as Bitcoin is concerned. So you'll see that most of the charts have got a structure like this. Let's see if that is going to play out. So we're going to see this one pulling back. Let's see if we're going to come down here on the cryptocurrencies. That is a Bitcoin. Let's have a look at Ethereum. It will have exactly the same structure. I'm going to show you the daily, but without going much into detail, but because it is exactly the same as Bitcoin. So look at the daily here on Ethereum, exactly the same thing. We're looking for this one here to give us, look at that here in this degree here. This is 1, 2, 3, slightly different because this one is an impulse. Okay, so but still we're looking for this one to be 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go to that red degree in the 4 hour. You'll see that they all correlate with Bitcoin. So you've got that 1, 2, 3, 4. We're currently in this 5. Now this week we're expecting this one in green to go up here and then down. That is the expectation. That's why you see that New York on Thursday afternoon, as far as South African time, we're expecting this one to push to the upside and then come down. That's why in London on Friday morning, it's already underway. We're looking for this one to continue pushing to the upside, and then we'll be looking for this one to continue the drop. That is Ethereum. And let's have a look at the others. I'm just going to go to the structures, straight to the structures here on the rest of the cryptos. Without going into the charts there, let's just show you here Litecoin. So Litecoin here, we've got, is Litecoin going to push to the upside and give us a structure like this? So there's a possibility that we can get Litecoin to give us A, B, C, and then the drop. So let's see how far this is going to go on Litecoin. Okay, then Ripple, let's have a look here. And Ripple, will Ripple also replicate the same structure with the pullback? Let's have a look here. We could get this one coming up around this level on Ripple. Will be interesting if we get to that level as far as Ripple is concerned. Now for the rest of them, we're just looking for these structures. Now look at Dogecoin. Dogecoin seems to be giving us this structure. We can come down around this level. We can push back to around this level and on Dogecoin. So let's see how this is going to play out. And lastly, on the cryptocurrencies, I'm going to go for straight to Binance. Okay, let's have a look at Binance. So Binance has already made the 3 waves. Is it ready to move to the downside, to start going down yet? So we've got the 3 waves already. Binance may be already underway for a move to the downside, but it won't be surprising to see this one come just one more up here, and then we start dropping. So that is the structure. We're still expecting the cryptocurrencies to give us one more down before we start looking at any reversal. All right, so that is the cryptocurrencies. All right, guys, trade responsibly. That's all I have for you this week, and do not get scammed. If you like our content, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you've not already done so, and hit that bell notification button so you don't miss another upload from us. So you'll actually get an alert when we upload the next video. Have a great week, everybody. Cheers. Bye-bye.